Hey YouTube, that's the main riff from Happy Idiot by TV on the Radio. This is a viewer suggestion. Starts on E. And the rhythm is triplet, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Then we go to D at the 5th fret and the 7th. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we go to the G at the 3rd fret on the, switching to the lower string set, 6 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is slightly different than the rhythm on the first two chords. So it's on the G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then when we get to the B, this is B, this is A. At the 7th fret we play the B, and then we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we go back to the E. That's pretty much the whole song, except for there's a bridge. Leading on the bridge, we're not using the D, but we're going A. I'm sorry, E. A at the 5th, G to B. So we're doing a different order. E, A, G, B. So I shut it off. So I switch it off. And then there is another guitar player. Yeah, there's on the bridge, there's a second guitar going. That's just the high E and B strings at the 10th and 12th. So I shut it off. So I shut it off. Okay, so if I was just a single guitar, I'd play the. All right, have fun playing that song, and thanks for watching. Bye.